Hello, today I want to show how to using the Beanstalk to deploy the Node.js application into the dev environment and also in the production one. And after that, I will test the swap. So let's go into the AWS console and start to demo our AWS Beanstalk. So first, I will go to the AWS Beanstalk and then create the application. So in here, I will choose the web server environment. Then in here, I will type demo app. So this one is uh, our dev product dev environment, and I will leave this one empty. And the platform, let me choose Node.js using the latest version, and because I just want to demo, so we're using this single instance. And if in the real production, we can choose this one. Then we can click next and configure the. So first we can create a new role, and in here we need to create the EC2 need to create the root for the EC2 instance. So I will go to IAN first. Go to the IAN and waiting for it to finish. And go to the role and create the role. Create a role in here because I will use for EC2, so I choose EC2 and click next. We can filter Beanstalk because now I only need to using the web tier. So I choose this one. We don't want to provide um, more the permission to it. So next, and I will say demo beanstalk stock EC2 raw. Then I will copy this one, put in my note. Let me create it, create a row, and yes, it created. Then I need this one. We can come back to our beanstalk and refresh here. Okay, refresh here. We don't need to access our EC2 for our today's demo, so I will not assign the key. And click next. And like if we don't do anything, it will create for us. So I just next. So we also need to touch this one. It will help us to create the security group Also we can change like the instance type. If we want more, we can change it and or add more instance type. Today just for the demo, so I will not stay in here. Then we can just use in basic. It doesn't matter. So next, it is straightforward. Let me see. Manage. Okay, so it requires us using the enhanced. So we use that one. So next, it will start to almost done. We can submit. Close this one. Submit. Then it will start to create it. And during the creation, we can come to this website, tutor and sample, and we can download this one. I already download it, and I put under my download folder. So here, this one, I change the name to version 1, and also this like edited the HTML file inside our Z file. So later I can deploy the version 1 in my development environment and the version 2 in our production environment. So let me go back. It will take a while for it to deploy it. So, and Elastic Beanstalk is used in the CloudFormation to build those resources. So I also can go to CloudFormation to review it. Oh, sorry, CloudFormation to review it. It will create those resources to us, and then now it start to launch the EC2. So we need to wait a while. And here is CloudFormation. It will create the stack for me, and I can click to review it. Event and refresh is still okay. Something complete. Okay. Elastic instance, and we can see our template and view the infrastructure composer. Let me see this. Okay, now it finished. We can try to deploy it. So, okay, we can try to deploy it. Choose the folder. Yes, the zip file and click deploy. It will deploy automatically. We just refresh. Environment is update and refresh again. Update environment and waiting a while. Refresh. Still updating. So at the meantime, we can come to here to review. Still not come out. Okay, just waiting. Okay, this one is what the Elastic Beanstalk create for us, and it using the CloudFormation to generate. So it will assign the Elastic IP for us and the metadata of the Beanstalk, and this one is the condition about the instance and auto scaling group. We don't need to care about that. That is what the AWS Beanstalk will do for us. I think now is finished, deployed. So after update complete, it will do the healthy check, which is in here. Then we can click the domain name to see what we did. And this file is come from this one. And then we can go to the application and create the new environment for our production one. So it will pretty simple. We can just using the same thing, and here already choose under the demo app, and we just change it here to product. That's it. And the platform we need to choose the Node.js. We can choose other things, but for demo purpose, like usually in the production, we need to use in this one, but here it's just for demo. So even the production one, I still using this single instance. And click next, and it will require to assign the role, which will be the same, and pretty much straightforward. And we don't need, we can just skip to review, and we can submit. So AWS Beanstalk will create the whole environment for us. We can just simply deploy our app. Then before this one finish the deployment, it will take a while. So I will explain what I will do. So in here, this file, I change something in our index.html file. So after that, we can deploy it into our production one. And after that, maybe we check everything is good. We can use in the swap the function to change the production and the development environment. So it will take a while because it need to create everything, every infrastructure for us. I will stop our video and I will come back. Okay, now it finished create those environment. We can refresh, then upload and deploy. So I will choose in this one and open it, deploy. Okay, deploy it, and waiting for this one deploy into our production environment. So this one is our development environment. Like in here, we can choose which one we want. Okay, and we can compare to our production one. Okay, so now it finished. So this one is our production, the new version, and this one. Okay, I need to open the two windows and close this one first. This one is our dev one, And this one is our production environment. Let me go to here, refresh, and we need to make sure this one will go to the OK state. We can click this one to view what is going on. So now it can deploy it. Okay, now finish. So after we make like this one is production one, and this one is development one, and we want this development one go into our the production one. We can simply click this button, swap the environment domain. So after that, the domain name will be changed, which means like it will point to different place. So let me swap and here and click swap. Then we can close it, and waiting for it to swap. It's pretty fast. Let me refresh this one, and this one is our dev environment. We can click this one. Still not finished. Swap complete. Okay, let me close this one and click this one again. Still not swap. Complete the scene and swap. We can just switch environment healthy. Okay. Close this one. Try again. It doesn't swap for me. Let me double check what's going on. Swap environment. Let me refresh here. Refresh here. So refresh here and refresh here. Close this one. Let me swap again. Maybe there's a bug. Let me double check. Still this one. Okay. Click swap. Environment. Okay. Yes, only have one. Suppose okay. And click swap. Click this one. It doesn't do the swap for me. I don't know why. Click this one again. Okay, now it finished the swap. Maybe there's some delayed. Oh. So this one doesn't swap successfully. Let me close this one. Close. Okay. Okay. Production. Let me review it. Production one. So this one disappear. they point to the same place. Let me deploy another one because that one disappear. Okay, wait. Hmm. Okay, it just walk back. It's weird. Okay, maybe we do it again. Swap the environment. Take, oh yeah, because need to take a few minutes. We can swap. So now it will like original one, and we can. Yes, it told me it finish, but not real. So this one is original one. Okay, it finally it can swap successfully. We can come here to check. Yes, it swap. So we can use in the Beanstalk to deploy our application and easily to change the production one to the developer one like by the swap function. And thank you for watching today's video.